To breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast, government sources are telling your channel it is the responsibility of the state government to initiate criminal action over the screening of Satluj. So this is about the controversy around the movie Satluj. Sources are also saying that the Ministry of Electronics and IT directed the film's takedown after it was allegedly released on OTT without CBFC certification. The centre is also considering action against intermediary ZEE5 over the matter. So this is a massive development. Government plans big action against the platform. Will action be taken against the OTT that released the movie? Action over hush-hush release will follow soon. That's what sources are suggesting. The government sources saying that it is the responsibility of the state government to initiate criminal action over the screening of Satluj. Let's go across to Pragya, my colleague, who's joining us with more details. Pragya, this is what we're picking up from the sources, that it's the responsibility of the state government to act, to initiate criminal action. Now we're given to understand there could soon be action taken against the platform as well for releasing the movie without CBFC certification.
Absolutely, Swati, and the argument here is that for the movie, you don't need regulatory certificates as far as OTT is concerned for screening any movie. But as far as this particular Satluj movie is concerned, it went to CBFC, and in fact, there were cuts that have been suggested by CBFC. And after that, the filmmakers went to court as well, and before the court could adjudicate, they straight away went to, on this particular intermediary, which is ZEE5 in this case, and they sent the movie on straight away to the OTT. So there is malai somewhere, but also the government saying that state government has a responsibility if there is an illegal screening of any movie in any way, which is also a threat to national security. Criminal action should be taken by the state government. But if state government is not taking any action, then, it also speaks aloud about, what they think about law and order. But apart from that, yes, government... But there is... how this action can be taken, because this action can only be taken by the MeitY, because this is exactly...
It's a big development, so government is planning big action. Remains to be seen what kind of action are we looking at. Thank you for putting things into perspective.